What's up everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to share with you a new plug that I've been able to use and I absolutely love for my Astera Ax1 tube lights. And this new pipe and base system is totally going to transform my personal setups. And if you're someone that is using these lights and you haven't found an easy to use and easy to transport and a very clean way of using these lights, this right here could be your solution. Now, this system was designed specifically for these lighting tubes, and it has been designed by the team at Lightsmiths in Seattle. Brian and his entire crew have come up with this really cool and easy to use solution for people that are using these Astera lights at their events. So if you're looking to clean up your setup, you're looking to use something other than the tripod stands that I've even shown here on my channel in the past, this system was made just for you. So what do you get in a system? Well, you can buy it however you'd like and however you'd like to use it. I personally have bought 8 of these telescoping rods that go in an easy to use transport case, so they all kind of transport together. They actually can extend up to 1.5 meters. On the top of the rod is an M5 screw, which fits into the bottom of an Ax1. On the bottom is an M10 screw, which actually connects to the base plate. The base plate itself is pretty heavy. It's a steel base plate, and it's an 18-inch by 18-inch base plate with leveling screws on all 4 corners. The purpose of that is so that when you're using them at an event, and if you find the ground to be uneven, you can make some minor adjustments to help make sure that your lights are perfectly straight up. Even with the mounts that come with the Ax1s, they are sometimes hard to level out, especially if your floor is a little bit uneven. This solution right here helps you keep everything visually looking together, and of course it cleans up the look of the overall system. Now, these poles can be used a number of different ways, and you can actually move them around so that they can be used in any variation up to 1.5 meters. And again, they all come in individual cases, both the base plates as well as the telescoping poles. Now, I heard today from Brian from Lightsmiths that they even have smaller kits that provide 4 base plates and 4 poles in one single case. This is a perfect solution for people that are just using a couple of these units around their DJ booth setups or in their events in the future. Reach out to Brian, reach out to the team at Lightsmiths, and they will hook you up with awesome pricing, and they can ship in a very short period of time. If you have any questions on this kind of kit right here, be sure to throw it in the comments down below. I'll do my best to answer it, and for whatever I cannot answer, I will get Brian and the team from Lightsmiths to kind of share any information they can on the unit. These units definitely are awesome. They will 100% clean up the presentation from using lighting tripods like I've even used in the past, and they are just super cool. They're very sturdy aluminum, and they just look really awesome. They're available in not only aluminum color, but they're available in white as well as black. So if you'd like to get some more information on these units right here, drop in the comments down below, click the link, and reach out to Brian and the crew at Lightsmiths. My name is Jason Jani. Thanks for watching this video. Be on the lookout for more videos dropping right here on the channel in the days, weeks, and the months ahead. Thanks for watching.